Whoa! What's up, kids? Welcome back to Muvani Kids, and today, oh yes, today, we're unboxing something huge, something awesome, something super fun. Are you ready? Because inside this box is a whole wooden city. Let's get it. Okay. Deep breath. Look at this amazing box. So colorful, so big, so full of surprises. All right, kids, countdown time. 3, 2, 1. Open that box. Yes! Here we go. Look at all these wooden pieces. There are buildings, tiny trees, signs, roads, cars. Everything you need to build your own city. All right, kids, let's start pulling things out. Police cars and station, look at that. Fire station and trucks, yes. Buildings and farms, that one is cool. There's so much stuff in here. Let's lay everything out on the table. Nice and neat. So we can build the biggest, coolest, most epic city ever. Oh man, I love the colors. I love the details. These wooden toys are amazing. Muvani really went all in on this one. Okay kids, time to build. Let's go to our first building. Wait a second, kids. Before we start building, there's a secret trick with this box. Look at the outside of the cover. Do you see that? It's not just a lid. It's a city. Map. Let's flip the cover over. Nice and careful. In. De-boom. Now we have a full city layout ready to build on. This is like a blueprint for our city. The roads, the spaces, everything is already drawn as an info. For us. So instead of building anywhere, we're going to place all our buildings right on this map and follow the layout to make the perfect Muvani City. Okay, builders. Map is ready. Pieces are ready. Now we're ready to start with our first building. Let's go. The police station. Yeah, this is where our brave police officers keep the city essay. Faye. Okay, first piece goes down. Nice. Now the walls. Boom. Now the roof. Bam. Look at that. This is coming together so fast. Let's add the little details. Look at this. A window. A door. A sign. Kids, this is looking incredible. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The police car. Let's park it right there. Perfect. Our police station is open for business. Woohoo. Okay. We nailed the police station. Now, kids, get ready. Because it's firefighter time. Let's grab the pieces. First the base. Then the tall tower. Then the bright red roof. Yeah, this thing looks amazing already. Add the windows. Add the garage. And now, the fire truck. Look at that. Beauty. Let's roll it into the station. Vroom. Kids, the firefighters are ready for action. You are doing awesome. Wait. Hold on, builders. I see something really cool in this set. Oh yes, it's the farm. Sheaf of rice cow. Check this out, kids. A little barn, a farmhouse, fences, and cute farm pieces. Let's make a special farm area in our city. First piece, the barn. Bam. Next, the farmhouse. Boom. Look at that. We just made a real farmyard. And look, kids, tiny farm details. A little crate, a tiny gate. This looks amazing. Our city has everything now. Homes, tall buildings, and a farm where all the animals live. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The cars. Let's bring them out. The train is ready. Imagine the stories, kids. The police car is on patrol. The fire truck is rushing to help. The blue car is going to the store. The yellow car is going exploring. So much fun. This city is alive. You built this. No way. Great job, kids. Yes, now it's house time. Let's make a nice neighborhood for our wooden families. Look at those colors. Look at those windows. This city is getting bigger and bigger by the minute. Let's line everything up. Put them in the perfect spots. Make our city look so cool and so fun. You guys are crushing it. This is turning into the best city ever. Let's put the museum in a nice spot in the city, maybe near the tall buildings and the town center. Look at this one. This special building can be our museum. Kids can imagine going inside to see dinosaurs, old cars, paintings, and cool treasures from around the world. The museum makes our city feel super smart and super fun at the same time. How cool is that? Oh, wait, look at this one, kids. Do you see that big white and blue building? Yes, that's our hospital. Let's put the hospital right here in the corner of the city so it's easy for everyone to reach. First piece down. Bam. Now the walls. Boom. And now the roof. Nice. The hospital is where doctors and nurses help everyone stay healthy and safe. And guess what? Here comes the ambulance. Let's park it right next to the hospital doors. Perfect. Now our city has a place for heroes who take care of people every single day. Kids, this city is getting so good. Let's keep going. Wait, kids. Look at this building. Do you see that tall, colorful one with all the windows? That's our hotel. Hotel Sparkles. Let's put the hotel right here near the city center, so visitors can come and stay in our awesome Muvani city. The hotel has so many rooms. Kids can imagine guests checking in, taking the elevator, looking out the windows, staying for a fun vacation in our city. This hotel makes our whole city feel big, busy, and alive. Okay, kids, hold on, because look what's around the hotel. stirs. Yes, our city has shops where people can buy snacks, toys, clothes. Everything. Let's set them up right around the hotel. So visitors can walk out and boom, they're at the stores. Maybe this one is a toy shop. Maybe that one is a bakery. Maybe that one sells ice cream. Look how cute these shops are. They make the whole hotel area feel busy and fun and alive. Kids, imagine guests walking out of the hotel, stopping for snacks, shopping for gifts, and exploring the city. Our Muvani city now has everything. Homes, heroes, hospitals, and a shopping district. Let's keep building. Alright builders, our city is done. And you know what that means. It's time for a full city tour. Rocket Cityscape at dusk. Let's start all the way on the left side. Ready? Let's get it. Party Popper Fire. On the left, look at that, our police station. Police car. Nice and strong, standing tall, keeping everyone safe. Next to it, boom, the fire station. Fire engine fire. With the tall tower and the big red roof. Move a little to the right. Look at these houses. House. Cozy, colorful, super cute, families live here. There at IS, the museum. Classical building sparkles. The place with dinosaurs, paintings, old treasures, wow. Slide to the right. YSSS, the hospital. Doctors, nurses, the ambulance, heroes everywhere. Next to it. Oh look, our hotel. So bright. So tall, so many rooms for visitors. And right around it, the shopping area. Shopping bags. Stores everywhere. Bakery, toy shop, snacks, everything. Keep going right, keep going. And boom, the farm. Shifa rice cow. Kids, this city is insane. You built all of this. Whoa. Party Popper Fire Cityscape at dusk.